Hello beauties and gents, welcome back to my channel. So if you are new here, then my name is Messabin Pinky, and if you want to see more videos like this, there are lots of videos on my channel. You can go watch and also subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. And I have filmed a blog yesterday where I have made my vanity, and it was a day in my life blog, and I still have to edit that video. And today it's morning time, it's 9 a.m. and I had my breakfast, did little walk, and now I'm in my beauty room. I have to complete because yesterday I didn't complete, and today I'm filming again, and I am literally excited. And like you can see, everything is up here and they're down here. Hi. Okay, so as I have said yesterday that I'm going to unbox this ring light. I have said in yesterday's blog, so I'm going to unbox this Enco 10 selfie ring light. So this is a light pack and it has Bluetooth. Okay, so it has Bluetooth, USB. So this ring light is from Kmart. It's $40 or under 40, I got no idea. So very nicely packed. I literally need a ring light which has a camera stand in the middle. So I'm going to call my husband and I'm going to tell him to make it for me, okay? Let's make him do it, okay? रिंग लाइट बनाओ है कि it comes like this in a bag, nicely packed, and has all these things inside.
With the power.
And I think it's a bag. The light. It has the screw thing here.
You want to say something? Wait, I'll open the mic. You want to say something?
This thing's out of the way.
Now leave it.
No, don't leave it.
Leave it.
It
It's
creates
okay.
a structure. That's a light, you know, the
Shield.
This is nice.
This is
from
really good.
Kmart. Yeah. And it also comes with the remote. Okay, this is one light. I think it's similar to my other ring light. And this is yellow, blue. This is warm, cool white. Right. Now this is cool white. I think
that's warm.
This
is first.
Yeah. So it's really nice. Okay. Okay, it's nice. Yay! So this is how the room looks at the moment, and you also in yesterday's blog. So I'm going to set everything up today, and this is my makeup vanity, and I'm going to set everything up on top of this now. And yeah, I'm going to organize everything up and make this room more beautiful. And it also comes with a stool like we made it yesterday. So yeah, it comes together, and literally this is not that expensive at all. Looks nice. It has like 3 light change. Okay, blue, white warm. I think this is white or blue. This white warm. Okay, so yeah, let's begin. So I'm going to set everything up on top of this, and then I'm going to show you all. And also, like, it has this two drawer thingy which goes up to here only, and like it is good to put like everyday use items in here. I just figured out that this cabinet which was under my last desk, like this one will not go under here, so it has like lots of my everyday use items and products. Like these are the things I use for every day, so I thought I'm going to move this cabinet and I'm going to put this one here, and let's see, I'm going to take out everything, and there is not much space in this room as you can see, so I have to move that thing out, I think. And yeah, I think, yeah, I have to move it out, and I think I'm gonna be moving it to girl's room or my son's room. I'm going to put it out, and let's see where I'm going to put that. Like I can use that as a shoe rack thing. So finally my vanity is done, and I did set everything up the way I wanted for now, but like I think it will change. I cleaned here and there and organized everything up, and like I'm going to like tell you guys and show how I did it. Okay. Okay, so this is my vanity, and I did put all that organizes down there, which contains all my makeups. And yeah, this is the tray for my coffee, because I love drinking coffee whenever I'm sitting here, like so that's a candle that smells really nice, and that's the initials of my name. And I didn't even put anything up here just because I want it empty. I don't want much things on top, so just few things. And this light is really good and really nice, and like it changes, and you all saw so many times. And in here I haven't like put much things too. There are some setting sprays and creams, and here is my everyday use items, and girls use these too, so yeah, I keep it here. And only some, and makeup brushes which are dirty, like I have to clean, wash. And yeah, there is some mirrors here, like 2 mirror. Like I think I will need this mirror when I'm doing my makeup, so 1, 2 are here. in these drawers I keep all my spare clean brushes. Like there are lots in here. So I don't like use these brushes more often, but like whenever these ones are dirty, I want a clean one. I'm gonna take it out from here and I'm gonna be like keeping that dirty ones aside. So these are all the new ones, and yeah, in these drawers I keep like my makeup. Here are all my makeup. So yeah, pen, eyeliner, eyebrow products and eyeliner, all colored ones, and powder. Also this one contains lip liner, lip gloss, concealer, like it is dirty, and this one contains all the contour bronzers. And here these drawers contain, this one is empty, and this one contains all the mascaras and eyeshadow pots, highlighters, more like cream contours are here. Gosh. More mascaras. I think these ones are new ones. And more lipstick. Like literally today I have used, I think this one by Maybelline. Literally love this color. What color is this? This one is Lava. Okay. And more blush. There are some blushes in some other drawer. So in this drawer I didn't even like keep anything inside much, just some lipsticks which I love to use. Like I like to like keep more lipsticks in front of me, just cause when I'm getting ready I can't even decide which one to apply. So this one contains lots of lipsticks too, and like most of them I haven't used. Like this one which I applied I think yesterday was this one by Model Rock, and this one is in color Played in Pink. Literally this one is so pretty, and like it looks like this, like when you apply it gets a bit darker, and like, and one of my favorite ones are like this one is so cool for spring summertime, like it's so pretty. This one is Studio 54 by Model Rock. It's so pretty and it has shimmer, so when you apply it looks really pretty. You can see shimmer, so it's a really pretty color. And like most of them, like other ones, I haven't applied. So here are some more lipsticks. Like most of them I haven't used. Okay, that's why I'm keeping in front so I can use. And my coffee is still there. So moving on, in this drawer are all the spare things. So more lipsticks are here, like Ofra ones. Like I think this one is really pretty by Ofra Mocha. Yeah, it's one of my favorite. And lots of Ofra lipsticks are here. And in this drawer there is lots of lipsticks. Okay, gosh, what I'm gonna do with all this. And in this drawer there is lots of eyeshadow palettes. I think I have showed you all earlier. And in this drawer there is also more eyeshadow palettes and more foundations. These foundations are new ones, and more foundations. And here are lots of like glitters and more lipsticks, like literally lipsticks. I'm not going to buy any lipsticks. So like some skincare things and more makeup brushes. And here I'm just keeping some bags, like my favorite bags, picture of my son. Literally that frame, like I don't know, someone gave my husband gift. Like we are from Fiji but living in Australia. So that's my son when he was small. Literally, he was so cute. So I'm keeping my son's picture here because I love those two pictures so much. So all my clothes are in here and other things, shoes, etc. You also in other videos. So yeah, this ring light from Kmart is literally so good. Like I should own this ring light. Okay, so love the light. It's blue. Okay, this one is so pretty. I love it. And these ones are not that expensive too, so they are really, really good. And like it's affordable and it's not that easy to make. You also in last video. You all take care. If you want to see more videos like this, then do subscribe. Follow me on social media. Links are below in the description box. And until next time, bye.